Hi, today I'm going to give you a short lesson on how to do a hidden picture. You're going to need several things. You'll need a pencil. You're going to need some crayons. You'll need yellow, orange, purple, green, black, and light blue. So if you want to go grab those. You're going to need this instructional sheet right here. This is our instructions. This is going to tell us how to color each square over here on our template or our grid. So this is like our grid, and at some point we're going to color every single one of those boxes using the instructions. Okay, to begin, you need to know that whenever it shows Y, that's going to equal yellow. Anytime you see the letter O, that's orange. PL will be purple, G is for green, BK is black, and LB is light blue. I am going to skip this first one here and we'll come back to that. Over here, it says that we need light blue. So grab your light blue crayon. I have mine, and the way we're going to color is that every time this whole square is going to be light blue. And the squares we are going to color light blue is everything that comes after. So we're going to be doing B3, E8, A1, H7, K5, J8, and D8. So this here is the instruction here telling us what color and how our box will be divided, our square. And over across and after that will be all of the squares that will be light blue in this case. So we'll find B3. So go to the bottom here, you go down, there's the B, and then you go up to 3, and wherever those meet is B3. So that box right here is B3. Now let's get rid of all of that and get our crayon. We go up B3, and we are going to, again, the instructions say to color the entire box light blue. When I'm done, I like to shade it so I know, or mark it off so I know that I have completed that box. Now I'm going to go to E8. So I find E, I go up to E8. So E down here, 8 here. Where do they meet? They meet right here. And we will do our box. Mark it off. A1 down here. And this is a mystery. Once we've colored this in, we'll see a picture develop. H7. K5. And this should be kind of a mindful thing where it relaxes you. If you're getting really stressed, you might want to take a break. And if you make any mistakes, let me show you. Let's say J8, and I come over here and I accidentally do I8. If I make a mistake and I put it in the wrong place, I8, and it should have been J8, get out your white crayon and simply color over it. Just color over it. It's okay. Don't stress. This is supposed to, again, be nice and relaxing. If you have whiteout works really well. So just color over it, and we'll come back to it later. We're on J8, so I make sure I do J8. Got it that time, and D8. Okay, I've done all of those. Now let's go back to the one I skipped. And the one I skipped was C8. And the reason I skipped it is I wanted to show you that there's times when you are going to have to color, in this case C8, you have to color it in yellow, light blue, and yellow. So in order to do that, we actually need to draw these lines in, and that will help us shade it properly. So I get my pencil out, and I go to C8. There's my C. Here's my 8 right here. And it looks like I'm going to go from the corner down to the center, C8. And then I have to go from the center back to the other corner above. So I've drawn that. And once you've drawn that, we can go and shade it in. I need light blue, Oh, I got light blue right here, and light blue, it looks like it's going to go in the middle. And if it helps you, you can actually color it in over here and then move it over to the big square. It really is what works for you. And it looks like we need yellow now. Again, if it makes it easier for you, you can actually color that in here. I kind of actually like doing it that way. That way maybe I won't make as many mistakes. So there's my light. I've done it, so I simply mark it off. Now I've completed the first line. I'm going to go down. It looks like in this case, we're going to need O, and O is for orange. And it looks like we're going to color the whole box in orange. And it looks like we get to do several of them. G4, G4. It looks like I get to do the whole box, the whole square that way. Got it. Oh, G3 right next door, or excuse me, right down below. G3. I wonder what this is going to make. E2. And E3. Mark it off. Oh, and this one looks like we're going to be doing some more drawing. So I grab my pencil, and it looks like we have to go up to the middle. So A7, I find A7. It looks like we're going to go the middle here to the middle here. See that right there? And then we go up to the corner. Bingo. And then over here, it looks like we're doing a little diagonal just below, like that. Maybe something like that. And we get to color it again. Looks like we're using light blue, and some green. So I have to do 2 light blues. So light blue here at the top, and light blue down here at the bottom, and green in the middle. Which green? I might do that middle green this time. That's pretty. Okay, mark it off. And it looks like we're drawing again. Grab your pencil. And we're going to draw on F3. I find my F3 here. And it looks like we're going to go, just off from the corner down. F3, just like about right here. Down. And it looks like we're going to do another one down. Something like that. That one looks a little, I'm going to move this one over a little. I'm not sure if I like those. I'm going to redo them. Which is why I like to draw them in pencil in case I do them wrong. Okay, F3. Still not liking that. Okay, maybe if I do it here and put my dots where I want them. Oh, that's easier. Put my dot where I want them. I want it to come about right there. Oh, I like that. Okay, now it looks like I need orange. It looks like I'm going to do orange here and orange here. Orange here and orange here. Got them. And now I need a purple. Ooh, let's do that purple. And it looks like I need to do the purple right here. Okay, let me do a couple more, and then I'm going to end the video and let you do it on your own. If you already know what you're doing, feel free to stop the video and move on. Okay, it looks like we have to draw again because got different colors. So grab my pencil. Looks like I'm going to come over about halfway and then kind of go up to the corner. And it looks like I only have to draw that one once. E5 right here. And it looks like I have to come over about a little halfway here and then go up to here. And then I'm going to, looks like we just go down like this. And now it's time to color. Looks like we need purple, so I'll use that first. So the purple is going to be right here, right there. And we need orange. The orange is going to go right here. And it looks like we're going to do BK. BK is black and black. Black's going to go right here. Okay, go to the next one. It looks like we're drawing because there's 2 colors. So I grab my pencil. It looks like we're going to go down from the top right corner down to the middle. And that's going to be on C6. C6. Got it. Going to go down here, about right here, to the corner. And yellow and orange. Orange. My orange is going to be in that little tiny part. right here. And my yellow is going to be the top part. Got it. And you would just keep doing this. I just like to do them in order. As I'm looking through here, it looks like there's some that are kind of complicated, but I know if you take your time, you will be able to do it. Before I end this, I do want to look over here really quickly at this one here, because that one might be a little confusing. We're going to go to H2, this box right here, and it looks like we're going to go from the corner up to about a little below the middle. So H2, right here to about right there, and then we just draw a circle. Now inside the circle there's an O. We're not drawing the O because that's going to be orange. So we simply do orange right here. I need light blue and purple. Light blue, oh, I forgot to do it right here. Light blue is right here, and purple. Again, you don't have to color it over here if you don't want. Some people like it because it helps them see what it should look like. Whatever works for you. Again, this should be something that's relaxing. This is teaching you following directions. This is teaching you, just some mindfulness. We've done H2. Now we have to do D1, because again, this is my directions right here, and over here are all the boxes we have to do. So we'll do one more. D1. We're going to go D1. And we're going to be down here, about right there, and a circle. I need my purple, which is right here. Oops. Help if I got my crayon. There's my, oops. I went way into that. That's okay. I'm just going to put my orange over top of it because I kind of messed up. It's all right. And then my light blue. So I hope this has kind of explained to you how to do it. If you make mistakes, just use your white crayon to color over it, like I did up here on this box right here. I hope you enjoy it, and I can't wait to see what this hidden picture is going to be. If you have questions, please contact your teacher or me, Mrs. Owens, and I can help you through it. Thanks for joining me. See you next time.